Let us now look at a demonstration showing how we can use ChatGPT for sales pitch simulation. This technique can be used to upskill your workforce with a hypothetical situation. So suppose I have a sales team and I want to equip my team with the ability to deliver confident and compelling pitches, which is crucial for business success. The traditional training methods can be static and lack real-world interaction. This is where ChatGPT helps you by providing a realistic interactive environment. Now to start with, I will go to the scenario creation section powered by ChatGPT within my learning management system. Next, I want to build a realistic scenario where I am the salesperson and John is my customer. So I want ChatGPT to respond to me as John throughout the conversation, asking questions and expressing concerns. So I will use this prompt to describe the customer profile, who is a small business owner, the feature of the product I want to sell, and the objective of this conversation, that is John's queries around my product, which is a project management software called Streamline. Once I give the scenario, ChatGPT gives a start to the conversation. You can see here that I am the salesperson and John is my customer who is overwhelmed with the projects he is handling. Next, I will use this prompt to introduce John to my product Streamline. John responds wanting to know more about the product, for which I use this prompt to list the various features of my product. John again responds with his concerns, and I reply to John offering him to use the free trial. Now to this, John raises his concern regarding the time that would be spent on testing. So I use this prompt to tell him that the interface is user-friendly and we also provide support and tutorial as needed. Next, John wants to know if the integration would be smooth, and I assure him that it would be the case. And finally, John is convinced. Then I use few more prompts to guide John through the further steps and then close the conversation. Now finally, I will use this prompt to summarize the key points discussed and ask ChatGPT for feedback on my pitch. So as you have seen in this demo, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for L&D professionals. By creating a realistic and interactive sales pitch simulator, ChatGPT empowers your sales team to develop confidence, sharpen their communication skills, and boost sales performance. Now, this is just one example of how ChatGPT can be used in L&D. You can adapt this approach to create practice scenarios for various departments and training needs.